Here are 10 common welding myths. 1 myth: all metals can be welded the same way. Fact: different metals require different welding techniques and processes. 2 myth: welding is only for large-scale industrial projects. Fact: welding is used in various applications, from small DIY projects to large industrial constructions. 3 myth: you don't need safety gear for small welding jobs. Fact: safety gear is essential for all welding tasks, regardless of the project size, to protect against burns, UV radiation, and fumes. For myth: welding is just about melting metal together. Fact: welding involves precise control of heat and materials, and understanding metallurgical principles. 5 myth: MIG welding is easier than TIG welding. Fact: while MIG welding is often considered easier to learn, each welding method has its own complexities and ideal applications. 6 myth: you don't need to clean metal before welding. Fact: proper cleaning and preparation of the metal are crucial for strong, high-quality welds. 7 myth: higher amperage always results in better welds. Fact: the appropriate amperage depends on the material and thickness. Too high amperage can damage the workpiece. 8 myth: welding is only for men. Fact: welding is a skilled trade open to everyone, and many successful welders are women. 9 myth: aesthetics don't matter in welding. Fact: the appearance of a weld can indicate its quality and strength, and aesthetically pleasing welds often signify proper technique. 10 myth: you can skip ventilation if you're welding outdoors. Fact: adequate ventilation is necessary regardless of the environment, to prevent inhaling harmful fumes.